Welcome. We're going to try something a little different. If you can, just close your eyes for a second and picture a place of absolute complete peace. We're stepping completely away from the rush right now. Together, we're shifting into a really quiet, deeply meditative space, ascending into the nocturnal serenity of Tukai Devi Hill. Let the imagery and the quiet guide you.
Far from the noise of Pune. Think of it as an invitation for us. We're leaving behind that endless hum of the streets, just letting go of the day's heavy breath and climbing up into this incredibly rare, quiet atmosphere. Take a slow, deep breath with me and let the peace of this hilltop really sink in.
Imagine the golden, illuminated silhouette of the Tukai Devi Temple. It's standing perfectly, beautifully still against this vast, dark night sky. You can almost feel the cool night breeze brushing past you. Up here, the earth feels remarkably stable, and if you pay attention, you can imagine the faint ringing of distant temple bells, just echoing in the cool, dark air. It's all about contrast. Up above, we have this silent temple, that cool breeze, and a profound inner stillness. But down below, it's chaos. Glaring, flashing lights, the constant coming and going of the metro, the city's endless sprint. Down there, it's a muffled, relentless hum. But up here, that hum just softly fades right back into the quiet night. And honestly, away from all that endless speed, we all deeply need a sanctuary, a visava, a resting place. We need that necessary pause in time and space just to step away from the relentless velocity of daily life. We just need to breathe and to find ourselves once again. When you look down from the hill, something magical happens. Those distant city lights completely lose their harsh glare. Instead, they look exactly as those stars from the night sky have gently landed right upon the earth. This isn't just a sight, it's a feeling. It's an experience meant to be lived and deeply felt, right in the quiet of the night. Dissolving into the vast quiet of this night brings such a profound mental uplift. There is real, deep emotional healing to be found right here, in the pure silence of the Hilltop Temple. You just let go. You dissolve into this vast nighttime stillness, and you allow your mind to finally repair itself. So, I'll leave you with this. In the relentless speed of life, when will you step away? When are you going to dissolve into the silence and find a few moments just for yourself? Let that question linger for a bit, much like that gentle evening wind.